In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create chapter-based captions in Word. If you are working on a massive report thesis or a user manual, typing out figure 1:1 or table 2:1 manually is a recipe for disaster. The second you add or delete an image, your entire layout breaks. Today, I'll show you how to force Microsoft Word to automatically track your chapters and instantly build dynamic, error-free captions in this video. The golden rule here is that Word cannot guess where your chapters begin. You have to tell its structural engine. Highlight your very first chapter title string. Let me just choose this in my case, and then head over to the Home tab right here and assign it the first reading heading, one type style block right over here. Select that, and with that title highlighted, look immediately to the left in the paragraph panel and click the multi-level list tool dropdown. You could find it right over here. And you need to look for the layout template that explicitly nests text like chapter 1 alongside the words heading 1. Instantly, all heading 1 items throughout your entire document are officially locked into an active, automated numerical database node. And now, let's tie your figures and tables to those active chapters. Right-click your target image or table block and select Insert Caption from the pop-up context menu. For that, you just need to go to References and then right here, click Insert Caption. Pick your default category label like figure or table and then click the numbering button at the top of that card. Check the box that says Include Chapter Number and ensure the chapter starts with the style option row set precisely to heading 1. In my case, that's this case. And choose your preferred separator. A hyphen is usually the publishing standard, but apply powers to your custom asset title and click Confirm. And Word will generate figures one by one cleanly on your Canvas page. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials and also drop a like on this video.